This here is my sleeping mat that I sleep on when I go camping. It's inflatable. It's got a little valve here. You blow it up by going like that. But I see other people camping and blowing up theirs, and they use a cool pump sack to blow theirs up so they don't have to huff and puff. So I bought one. Here it is. And so the idea is that you take this bit and you plug it into here, and that allows you to pump it up. But the problem is, this thing is quite a different size to this thing. As you can see, it does not plug in. So you can probably get one of these that does fit this, but I'm not going to buy another one. I'm going to fix it with some 3D printing. So we're going to start by taking some measurements, calipers, and make a little CAD model. So now I've got a little model here. The outside profile here should fit into the sleeping mat, and the inside profile should fit onto the pump sack, allowing us to connect the two together. And so now all we do is throw it into our slicing software so we can put it on the 3D printer, and then in 40 minutes we'll have one that we can try out. And now it's done printing. Let's take it off and try it out. So here's the part and the moment of truth. I'll try and put it gone onto the stuff sack with a little bit of effort. It's quite tight on there, but that's fine because I can leave it on here. I can't leave it on here. Hopefully it fits nice and easily into this, which it does. So now I can use it to inflate my sleeping mat. So here's a bit of a close-up for you, you can see it. Fits onto the stuff sack really nicely, like that's hard to get off. Clips into the sleeping mat nice and easily. Won't fall out, but I can get it up when needed. Perfect. So this is a perfect example of why I love 3D printing. You can just have a problem, spend probably 20 minutes modelling it up, and then the printer did all the rest of the work, and problem solved. Perfect. So thanks for watching.